keep this report train moving right along here. Move on over to Spain. All right. So we say, welcome back, Spain, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Before we get started, one favor to ask you today, that's that you click on the share button today. Share this video with your friends and family on your favorite social media accounts today, all right? Let's go and run the report here for Spain. The actual report creation doesn't take that long. It's just the uploads and assignments and everything that kind of increases the time. So what are we going to do when we finish reports? We're going to come back, we're going to watch some more videos and do some lessons on the Mastering SQL program on Mastering SQL on I can't speak. Mastering SQL on the Udemy course. Okay. So for the previous 365 days, Spain has had 8.25 million cases, 27,017 deaths. Now, if you take a look at this, you can see, now this is misleading, of course, because this number fell off a lot. As you can see, I'm pretty sure this number fell off a lot towards the middle to end of January. But nonetheless, so far, you've already had more cases, almost double the number of cases in 2022 than you had in 2021. The good news is your COVID-19 deaths for 2022 for the first quarter have not caught the 2021 total cases yet. Okay. We'll take a look now at the 7-day moving average. You can see as of March the 22nd, you were averaging 49,635 cases per day. Deaths, you're averaging 219 per day. Now, why that only goes up to the 11th or the 15th, I'm not really sure, to be perfectly honest. Because that's 315. That doesn't make any sense. How can it not be? How can that? Why are we missing so many numbers here? Well, we know Spain doesn't count deaths on, but you can see, wait a second. What did I do over here? How can it only be 9/21/2022? What the devil's going on over here? Okay. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Let's try this again. Yeah, those numbers aren't making any sense, were they? So let's see if we get more of the average over here then. So once again, as of still, March the 28th, you were averaging 14,271 cases per day. And as of March the 25th, you were averaging 98.4 deaths per day. Interesting. Now you can see here the overall trend is still down there. Okay, had a little hiccup here, but still then it rebounded to come down below these numbers here again. So cases are showing promising declines. Deaths overall are declining also, except for this week right here. This is good news for deaths in Spain. What about monthly cases? Well, you can see that March's cases were lower than the previous 3 months. And March's deaths were lower than the previous 2 months, but higher than these numbers over here. Higher than every, but unfortunately, March's deaths were higher than all these other numbers back over here. Okay. So that concludes the report for Spain for today. Before I let you go, Spain, that one favor to ask is that you click on that share button, share this video on your favorite social media accounts today, okay, with your friends and your family.